Okay, the situation here is that we're trying to do a unit calibration for a new camera replacement, but the system is slow, and an application that we use called Intel RealSense is not working. System has been clogged. I've already cleared out the temp folders, and that had over 8,000 items. They cleared that out and emptied the recycle bin. Then I went and did a disk cleanup. I have over 9 gigs of not unnecessary data that I'm clearing out right now. On top of that, I'm also going to check to see if we have anything else that might be an issue that might be clogging the system. So I am going to bring over a copy of Autoruns from this Windows System Internal Suite, as well as I'm going to go with Proc Explorer or Process Explorer, and I'll copy that over in just a moment. And let's see here. We'll bring this over here and copy that also, because that disk cleanup is going to take a while. So, first things first. We're going to actually close that up. Let's do this as an admin. Save me some headaches later. And as you can see, we got a lot of things that are coming up on startup. Let's first start with what's on logon. We don't use any OneDrive stuff. Uh, Microsoft Edge, none of our applications actually rely on that. Waves audio, that's not really necessary. It is verified, but it's not really needed. At least I can't tell, but I'll leave that alone. Command exe, we will leave that alone. Google Chrome is part of the interface that we use in our software, so we're going to leave that alone. This we don't need. That I know I don't mess with. Same thing with security registration. As far as Internet Explorer stuff, no one's really using Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer to Edge, not really worrying. Skype, we don't really worry about. And this is Skype for Business. We don't really worry about that either. So, next, scheduled tasks. These we leave alone. We'll leave that alone. McAfee. Well, that's not going to let us do anything. Microsoft Office, don't really need it for here because this is a dedicated system that's not being used as an office workstation. Applications experience, make backups. We're leaving that alone. We're leaving stuff for PowerShell alone. And let's see, file not found. So this is definitely not even needed, but can't do anything with. Not verified. And this is more of a media player thing here. It's an update library. Just in case, let's not worry about it. Push comes to shove, I can always turn that back on. And OneDrive we don't need. Edge update we don't need. Smart Byte telemetry, River Networks. I'm not exactly sure what that's about, but you know what? I'm pretty sure that was not part of the original Windows install, at least not on a baseline. So with that, let's see any services not verified. So I'm taking it off. Taking that off. Taking that off. Game input. We don't really need that. Like I said, Chrome is part of our interface, so I'm not messing with anything for Google right now. McAfee's not going to let me make any changes. Not messing with the graphics display. Smart Byte Analytics Service. And well, it could be network. You know what? Let me leave those two alone for now. Health. All right. Okay, we finished with the cleanup. Actually, decline. Also run this as administrator. Why? Because this is just Task Manager on steroids. Anything the Task Manager doesn't catch, this will, or at least in theory. It does give me a lot more to work with. So, leave that on. Let's see, what's this? Runtime. Let's see if I can get this this working. Come on. Loading. Okay. Success. Now I can actually see which one of these cameras is a problem. Okay. So camera 4. Actually, I don't know exactly which camera it is, but one of them is out. I'm going to have to call the customer to see what's going on.